don't ever know where to put these lids. I don't have any counter space.
I've got an idea.
Really?
I do.
Awesome.
Yep. Okay, super easy project. One piece of wood, 2 parts. We've got a leftover piece of oak we used for the taco board and another something. It's about 18 inches long. We're going to start with our saw set at 17 degrees and we're going to miter one end of it very carefully. If your saw doesn't cut that tall of a piece, you can always do it on your table saw.
Did you say 17 degrees?
17 degrees.
Okay.
Now we're going to take that same piece we just cut and we are going to cut that off at 11 inches. Here are the templates. They will be available in the description. We're working on the tall skinny piece first. This is our 11-inch piece we just cut. We are going to make a cutout right there at the opposite end of the miter. We'll just trace that out. That is about 1 3/8 inches wide hole that we're going to cut with our Forstner bit. Okay, we're here at the bandsaw. We're just going to slice those 2 off and make that channel, divot, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now we're going to make our little kickstand piece out of the other end that we didn't use. We are solving a age-old problem in the kitchen with this thing. Alright, we're going to cut that out. Okay, I've got my 1/4 inch round over bit in the router table here. We're going to do all the edges except this bottom miter and these 2 17-degree pieces on the stand. Okay, now before we put it together, we are going to sand it real quick. You can see the kind of rough edge from the bandsaw. We're going to knock that stuff out, and then we'll get putting it together. Okay, we are going to attach the kickstand to the big piece. I don't know what else to call it. I'm going to use CA glue to tack these in place so we can drill through the front into the leg. Our CA glue is on its last leg. I'm gonna have to get some more.
We still haven't ordered any?
No.
Well, we'd forget our head if it wasn't attached to our body. So.
I almost didn't bring that with me today.
Yeah.
All right. Put some pressure for a second. That'll probably get it. Alright, so we're going to use a drill bit that is just about the same size as the screw. I didn't look to see what size it was. Then we're going to come back with a countersink bit and countersink it so the head of the screw is flush with the wood. Gotta be real careful here. Now I've got the drill bit in my drill the same length as the screw just about, so we know how far in to go. Grab that. Okay, and now we'll do the bottom one. Alright. Okay, just for funsies, because Cheryl wants it, we are going to put a little bottom stop on there for her phone or the tablet or whatever. The pot will still be able to be held there.
We haven't even told them what it is.
Sure, they can figure it out by now. This is a pot holder.
Pot lid holder.
Pot lid holder for your kitchen.
But it also doubles as a phone holder or tablet holder, or you could even put a little recipe on there.
That's right.
So there you go.
So we're going to go ahead and glue and nail the little phone part. Do my best to minimize the squeeze out here.
So when you're not needing to hold a lid to your pot, you can, if you're looking at a recipe on your phone, you can just lean it up against that and voila.
There you go. Okay, last step is the oiling of the board. You can use any kind of wood oil you want. I recommend Food Safe. We've got the cutting board oil that we've used several times. I know Rubio Monocoat is Food Safe. Walnut oil, any of that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and oil her up. I don't have any gloves, so I'm going to have really nice smooth hands after this. This is just mineral oil. It's really actually pretty good for your skin, so maybe I won't have rough sandpaper hands after this. I doubt it, but you never know. So we're gonna just coat it really well and let it sit for a minute so it can absorb all the oil, and then we will come back and wipe it off.
All right, everybody, here is the finished product.
Ta-da!
I don't know, any of you guys or men or women, guys or gals, that cook, when you're like cooking a pot of beans or whatever, and you take the lid off, you're like, okay, what do
you do with it?
I usually just sit it in the sink, as long as the sink is empty. But this is great.
Yep.
I can just put my lid there.
Problem
and voila.
solved. Yep.
Now, if I'm not cooking with a lid and I want a recipe, give me your phone.
Yep.
And I can just sit that there, my phone or my tablet, or you know, if you have a recipe card, you could sit it on there. So it's 2-in-1, it doubles, it's great. So
fantastic.
Yes.
Super easy.
Super easy.
I looked, and on Etsy I didn't find any of these. That doesn't mean they're not on there, but I didn't find any.
Yeah.
So today if I were to sell these, which would probably put some out there, on Etsy I would go 45 made out of oak.
Made out of oak.
Plus shipping.
Yes.
This was about an 18-inch piece of oak. A 4-footer is $27, so
Yeah.
do the math.
Now, if it's made out of pine, we would go 25.
25 bucks.
But of course, as we always say, charge what you feel your product is worth and your time. You know, if you don't agree with our prices, that's okay. You price it for yourself, but don't underprice yourself.
Yeah,
So
and don't listen to fools on YouTube that think they know everything.
that's what we are.
So.
Anyways, we have a new show coming up.
Right.
It is going to be the launch of our podcast for our channel, Avery Street Channel. It's going to be
Beyond the Wood Shop.
Yes, Beyond the Wood Shop. We'll be interviewing other YouTube woodworkers, so we're super excited to do that.
We have our first one lined up. It's not ready to release yet, but when it is, we will spread the word.
Yes.
I hope you guys, she's a fan favorite, so
Yeah.
I hope you guys watch.
I'm getting sweat in my eyeball.
Anyway,
It burns.
So get the templates out of the description, build them, sell them,
Yes.
make a ton of money.
Well, thank you guys so much for being here. If you're new here and you haven't had a chance, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video and share. That really helps us be in the algorithm.
All
And
that.
we love you guys. And
Bye,
we'll see you
y'all.
next time.
Stay cool.
Bye.
Bye.